Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2021 Chevrolet Silverado. This Silverado is featured in a black paint finish and is the LT Trail Boss trim. It includes features such as our heated front seats, a backup camera with adaptive guidelines, heated steering wheel, our 6.2-liter V8 engine, a hard tonneau cover, gloss black alloy wheels, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and much more. Starting off in the front of the Silverado, we can see we have a chrome finish door handle, power locks, below are power mirrors as well as power window controls, and some storage and a speaker finish out the bottom of the door. Moving inside to the left of our steering wheel, we have our tow haul mode at the top, our drive mode select, as well as all of our lighting controls, including our in-bed lighting. Moving down the driver's seat, we have power controls. You can also see the seat finished here in our black cloth and heated in the front of the vehicle. Getting inside the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, we can see our display cluster with a digital information system in the center. Moving down to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have our cruise settings, as well as the controls for our heated steering wheel. Right-hand side of the steering wheel, we have our hands-free, as well as all the controls for our display cluster information. Moving to the middle, we have our infotainment system with our AM/FM audio, our Wi-Fi hotspot, as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth. We can also see our backup camera on the second page. We can see we have adaptive guidelines as well as hitch guidelines. It is a touchscreen, but we have some additional controls across the bottom. Then below that, our dual zone front climate control, heated front seats in the seat back and the cushion for the driver and passenger. Push to start ignition just to the left. Our buttons across the bottom, we have our auto stop start, power tailgate, hazard lights, traction control, and downhill park assist. Integrated trailer brake controller below that. All of our power plugs are USB-C, a USB, 12-volt plug. Then we have some storage across the bottom, where we can also currently see our key. On our key, we have our power locks, a remote start system, our power tailgate button, and an alarm system. Behind that, we have two more cup holders with storage, our center console in a leather finish with storage on top, deep storage inside. Passenger seat is also finished in our jet black cloth and is also heated. Moving above our rear view mirror, lastly, we have our OnStar buttons, rear check reminder off, as well as our lighting controls. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, moving down to our front tire and rim, we can see we have a black alloy finish with a Chevrolet bow tie center cap, an all-terrain tire, have a 2-inch lift on the whole vehicle, Z71 off-road badging in front of our black paint match mirrors, black paint match door handles as well. Back of the vehicle, we have our corner bumper steps. You can also see we have dual chrome exhaust, as well as our Silverado and LT badging in chrome. We have a power tailgate with our backup camera on the left-hand side. You can simply press the button, and we can see that our tailgate can open. Inside the bed, we have our tie-downs, as well as in-bed lighting in the front, as well as more tie-downs in the back, gloss back finish in the bed, and on top we have our hard folding tonneau cover. Moving into the back of our Silverado, we can see we have a chrome finish door handle, power window controls, as well as some storage and a speaker in the bottom of the door. Inside the vehicle, a storage compartment in the back of the driver's seat. Between the two front seats, we have two cup holders, as well as our two rear vents, a USB-C, USB, and 12-volt plug. Another storage compartment in the back of our passenger seat. Moving to the seats themselves, we can see we have a bench seat in the back, finished in our jet black cloth. In the center seat, we have two more foldable cup holders, as well as some storage. Then we have our storage package, which includes our in-seat storage, as well as our under-seat storage, which we can get at by simply pushing up on our seats. We can see we have storage underneath and a 60-40 folding split fashion. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2021 Chevrolet Silverado. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.